Tesla confirms 285,000 people bought full self-driving. That's
a lot.
Quite a few.
Yeah.
That's a lot of people out there with the hands near the steering wheel and not on it. And even some of us with steering yokes.
Right.
Not 1 million, but more than a lot of people thought. The full self-driving package has evolved over the years with some features coming in and out of the package. For the most part, it consists of a promise to eventually deliver a fully self-driving system through over-the-air updates. What are they calling it? Beta still? I think so. I think they're still calling it beta. I signed up. I did all the disclaimers and everything else. I had been signed up for the beta for a long time, but then it rolled out to absolutely everyone. So then I was driving around with it. Tesla has never shared the take rate of its FSD package, with the price varying from a few $1,000s a few years ago to now $15,000. That has changed quite a bit. I know Elon on Twitter went on and said it should cost $100,000. That's the value we think you're going to get out of it. $100,000 just for FSD. He was trying to tell you it's a deal if you get it right now, Will.
Yeah.
Depending how long you're going to hang on to your thing for.
But
of course,
it's still so expensive.
Well, there's also
$20K.
There's also the subscription. No, isn't it 50?
Canadian.
Is it 20 Canadian right now?
Yeah.
Okay, I think that's even more than when I got it.
Yeah. It keeps rising.
Keeps going up, man. Oh, that's got to be the most expensive software unlockable feature of all time.
Yeah, no kidding, eh?
Other than like super specialized software for probably for measuring the rate of extraction of oil from some offshore operation. Like that software, they're like, you need to unlock this feature so you can earn more. And then all of a sudden it's like, that's going to be 20 grand. But otherwise, for the general public, for the consumer, to have a software unlockable feature at 20K Canadian, which you just told me, that's big time stuff. Tesla's never shared the take rate, as mentioned, but the automaker has now released its first important piece of information about the popularity. They say 285,000 people, which is a lot. That is a big sample size when it comes to an experiment. To have that many takers driving around now, I mean, the place hasn't blown up yet.
It's quite a lot of money as well.
Yeah, this is one thing that's not going to get any cheaper. We were just talking about cheaper iPhones, cheaper Teslas. FSD, he keeps saying, is going up, 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 up. And you're going to want it.